Good afternoon everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be drawing a suggestion by my Oma. She really wanted to see me draw a fat robin and cardinal, but I thought that I could do all of her favorite birds, and I'm pretty sure all of her favorite birds are robin, cardinal, blue jay, and goldfinch. For this art piece, I really wanted to try and achieve a really cartoony art style and try to make the birds look as fluffy as I could. For this entire drawing, you will see me using the Tombow brush markers. These markers are really great. They come with a huge selection of different colors, so it was really easy to get all the different shades and tones of every bird. The only thing I had to work around was the fact that they like to eat up the paper, so that there's little pulpy bits around on the paper. This didn't bother me too much, as if you would let it dry, then it wouldn't eat up the paper as much, and most of the time you could just wipe the pulp of the paper away. So for all of the tree, I went section by section trying to build up the shades and tones to make the tree look pretty dark compared to the birds, as I knew that they would be really saturated. I would say the hardest part of this entire drawing was trying to work around the birds and the little tiny feathers that ran along the tree branch that they are sitting on. It was hard trying to make sure I didn't color those in and making sure that they were white as possible. Right when I started to add that really dark red color to the robin, I started getting a little bit worried because I thought it looked like blood, and it looked a little bit bloody to me, but once I started to blend things out, it looked a lot better. Now I'm going in with a white gel pen trying to fix up that beak of the blue jay. I really didn't like it. It kind of just looked like an open, gaping hole in the bird, and it didn't really look like its beak. But once I smudged the white gel pen around with the marker and trying to get that top part of its beak a little bit lighter, it looked a lot better. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in the corner to get notified when I post future videos. Please also don't forget to leave a comment down below for any future video suggestions that you would like to see. Last but not least, I'm just going to finish up this drawing by signing with my name. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it.